We spent Christmas in the Canadian winter outdoors in a tent and I wouldn't have it any other way. So when I posted a picture of our tent set up this holiday season, I received a lot of messages on my social media. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to make a video and chat about it a little bit. So normally for Christmas, my partner and I are in another country somewhere or spending time with family who also don't live very close to us. And with 2020 being the year that it was, we knew that Christmas inevitably was going to look a little different. Navigating this new potential way of celebrating, other than the fact that we did finally get a Christmas tree, which felt very homey and nice, we still longed to get outside. So lucky to live in a province where we can go outdoors, enjoy it, and be socially distanced and still enjoy our times. We packed up all of our warm gear that we could. We packed up everything, including the tent, and we drove to a very remote campsite, put up our tent in the winter, and enjoyed a few days in the quiet. And we snowshoed, and then we would just relax, eat, drink warm things, and catch up on some much needed sleep. And maybe to some of you that sounds super crazy, and to us it was absolutely perfect. And I feel like we don't necessarily enthrall ourselves into the commercialization of Christmas too heavily. And that's why we're usually not here, or we're just spending quality time with family. This year provided us an opportunity to really think of, what do we want? Instead of people telling us what we should be doing or what we think we need to be doing by obligation, it was just kind of like, what do we want to do? Don't really do gift exchanges anyways for the past few years. Normally if we need something, we'll purchase it or sometimes get little things for each other, but Christmas has never really been about that for us anyways. So our Christmas gift to ourselves was the quality time spent snowshoeing and being in a tent and just being so intently with each other outside. And that's what made Christmas 2020 so special. It just really showed us that, you can do whatever you want to do. And that sounds so simplistic to say. Of course you can do whatever you want to do. But again, sometimes we just get so wrapped up in all these things and just life. And this year, with everything that happened, it just gave us the opportunity to reflect. And this is what came out of it. And I think what that experience made us realize is that, we're at this point where we can curate our own traditions. And how amazing is that? Like, I love listening to other people's traditions that they do during the holidays. And so maybe this can serve as a gentle reminder or welcoming reminder that you can alter your traditions, you can alter the way you think about things, you can enhance your life in whatever way you choose, and it's not set in stone. What future Christmases and holidays will bring, I just can only plan so much. Of course, we know that, but it definitely will be spent doing things we love, with those that we love, because really that's all that matters to us. Wondering, yes, it was a little chilly, but if you dress pretty well, then you should be all right. If you have questions about winter camping or just anything like that, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you. I'm trying to be better at videos. Me saying it's not my specialty is not an excuse anymore. It's not gonna cut it. So here I am, January 2021. I'm already trying my best. So again, any questions, comments, leave them down below. And thank you for watching and being here, shedding some light on our little holiday. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.